Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Huel versus Factor full comparison. Compare nutrient profiles, cost, taste, and convenience to decide which fits your routine. I walk through calories, protein, fiber, and added sugars so you can compare menus side by side. Expect clear examples of a typical day on each plan and simple math on per meal cost. Stay tuned for taste notes, prep time, and who benefits most from each option. I explain nutrition differences plainly and help you focus on what matters for daily health and energy. We compare calories, protein grams, fiber, and sugar per serving to gauge fullness and recovery. I call out ingredient sources so you know where nutrients come from, and I show how a typical day looks on each brand. This helps you pick the plan that supports workouts, weight goals, or busy schedules. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful comparisons. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after on-the-go meals and grocery runs. It pairs nicely with meal prep humor. Check the description for the product link and other deals, pick your favorite scent, and treat yourself to a fresher ride. Now let's get back to the video. I break down cost and convenience so you can choose based on budget and routine. We look at per meal price, delivery frequency, and real preparation time differences between powdered shakes and ready meals. I share quick tips to reduce waste and save money, like batch prepping Huel or rotating Factor meals. By the end, you will know which option fits mornings, gym days, or travel without surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.